In the heart of rural life, traditional buffalo slaughter in village begins with the quiet gathering of livestock. Every journey in traditional buffalo slaughter in village starts with controlled and respectful handling. Traditional buffalo slaughter in village continues inside structured holding spaces prepared for safety.
Careful inspection ensures only suitable livestock move forward in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. Structured sorting brings order and clarity to traditional Cape buffalo slaughter in village operations. Preparation begins with gentle cleaning steps in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. Movement is carefully directed as traditional buffalo slaughter in village transitions toward processing zones. Final verification ensures full control and traceability in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. With the gate opening, traditional buffalo slaughter in village enters its structured facility transformation phase. In traditional buffalo slaughter in village, transport begins with carefully prepared loading systems.
Each movement in traditional buffalo slaughter in village is guided with steady coordination.
Transport stability is essential in traditional buffalo slaughter in village logistics. Security systems ensure safe movement in traditional buffalo slaughter in village transport. The journey forward begins as traditional buffalo slaughter in village enters its transport phase. From village fields, traditional buffalo slaughter in village connects to industrial pathways. Transport efficiency increases as traditional American bison slaughter in village approaches processing infrastructure. The destination of traditional buffalo slaughter in village becomes clearly defined. Strict entry control defines the system in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. With controlled access, traditional buffalo slaughter in village enters the processing complex.
At the heart of traditional buffalo slaughter in village, vehicles arrive into a controlled industrial yard.
Precision positioning defines every step in traditional buffalo slaughter in village operations. Mechanical systems secure the transition point in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. The boundary between outside and inside defines traditional buffalo slaughter in village workflow. Inside traditional buffalo slaughter in village, structured corridors guide all movement.
Unloading systems activate carefully in traditional Asian water buffalo slaughter in a rural Vietnamese village.
Movement continues smoothly into controlled spaces in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. Segmentation ensures structure in traditional buffalo slaughter in village processing flow.
Every pathway in traditional buffalo slaughter in village leads toward controlled transformation. The process deepens as traditional buffalo slaughter in village enters its cleaning phase.
In traditional buffalo slaughter in village, cleaning begins with structured pre-wash alignment.
Powerful cleaning systems ensure hygiene standards in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. Mechanical precision defines sanitation in traditional buffalo slaughter in village processing.
Final rinsing prepares livestock for structured sorting in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Drying systems stabilize conditions before classification in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Sorting begins as pathways divide efficiently in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. Careful evaluation ensures quality control in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. Precision measurement supports classification in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. Structured grading ensures systematic flow in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. With sorting complete, traditional buffalo slaughter in village advances into core processing.
In traditional buffalo slaughter in village, core processing begins only after full sanitation entry. Advanced air systems ensure cleanliness in traditional buffalo slaughter in village processing lines. Every movement in traditional domestic Asian water buffalo slaughter in South Asian village is guided through controlled corridors.
Precision handling ensures controlled workflow in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Core systems in traditional buffalo slaughter in village operate with regulated precision.
Automated transfer systems maintain flow in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. Structured rail systems define core processing in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. The main transformation begins inside traditional buffalo slaughter in village processing halls. Every cut follows structured industrial precision in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. With core processing complete, traditional buffalo slaughter in village advances to refinement systems.
Temperature stabilization ensures safety and consistency in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
In traditional buffalo slaughter in village, transformation begins with immediate temperature control.
Advanced machinery refines structure in traditional buffalo slaughter in village processing. Precision forming ensures uniformity in traditional buffalo slaughter in village output. Controlled vacuum systems preserve integrity in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Moisture regulation is critical in traditional buffalo slaughter in village refinement.
Automation ensures precision consistency in traditional buffalo slaughter in village production. Quality parameters are continuously monitored in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Balanced thermal control prepares products in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
The main transformation completes as traditional buffalo slaughter in village enters automation systems.
Each movement in traditional buffalo slaughter in village is calculated and controlled.
Advanced vision systems evaluate every detail in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Precision automation ensures consistency in traditional buffalo slaughter in village output. Accuracy defines every stage in traditional buffalo slaughter in village automation. Sealing technology preserves freshness in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Traceability is embedded into every product in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Automation prepares bulk handling in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. With precision, products move into controlled buffering systems in traditional Cape buffalo slaughter in village.
In traditional buffalo slaughter in village, finishing begins with strict environmental control.
Every detail is refined through precision systems in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Surface integrity is verified in real time in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Multi-layer sealing ensures product stability in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Thermal balance is essential in traditional buffalo slaughter in village finishing systems.
Precision measurement ensures uniformity in traditional buffalo slaughter in village output.
Finishing systems refine presentation in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Every product passes through strict visual validation in traditional Cape buffalo slaughter in a rural village in South Africa.
Traceable identity completes production control in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. All precision lines converge as traditional buffalo slaughter in village prepares for final validation. In traditional buffalo slaughter in village, every batch enters strict scientific verification.
Safety begins with detailed microbiological testing in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Precision chemistry ensures consistent quality in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Durability under changing conditions is verified in traditional buffalo slaughter in village labs. Packaging integrity is critical in traditional buffalo slaughter in village quality assurance. Internal inspection ensures complete transparency in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Advanced detection systems safeguard health standards in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Only approved batches move forward in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Quality confirmation unlocks final movement in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. With full certification complete, traditional buffalo slaughter in village advances to final packaging.
In traditional buffalo slaughter in village, final transformation begins at the packaging stage.
Packaging systems prepare export-ready structure in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. Automation ensures perfect placement in traditional buffalo slaughter in village packaging. Final sealing locks in protection across traditional buffalo slaughter in village output. Traceable identity completes every shipment in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Automation builds export-ready loads in traditional buffalo slaughter in village.
Preservation begins inside controlled storage systems in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. Smart logistics ensure tracking accuracy in traditional buffalo slaughter in village. Global distribution begins as traditional buffalo slaughter in village reaches dispatch stage.
And this is how modern systems complete traditional buffalo slaughter in village, from farm to global distribution.